Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you Name Manager in MS Excel. In order to learn Name Manager, first we need to come in Formulas menu and then what do we have? We have Name Manager. So what is the work of Name Manager? By Name Manager we can give name to our column or row. And what is the use of this? Definitely we see now. For example, if I type here Mr. and if I say that Naveed, and if I say Kamran, and if I say Hussein, and what I want Mr. with every name. So what I do, I will use a formula. It's called concatenate or concatenate, whatever you say. Definitely. Okay, this is a formula, and the first definitely Mr. and I say then comma, and then I say what Naveed, and after this what I do, I say that enter, and as you can see that with Mr. right now what do I have? I have Naveed. Getting me? And what I do, I will just simply click and drag, and definitely as you know when I click and drag, so definitely we no need to copy the formula. So what I do, I simply click and drag, and as you can see that, oh what, why Mr. is not with Kamran, why Mr. is not with Hussein? The reason is that if I open the formula, so the formula is working correctly, but the problem is that the range is going down. Getting me? If I come here, so definitely now the range is here. If I say the if I open Kamran, so definitely the range is here. So what we need to do in order to stuck this range, we need to use Name Manager. How can we use Name Manager? See, first I will select this cell and then I will go in Name Manager. In the Name Manager, what I say new, and then after I have to give the name to this cell. So I say okay, you can say Naveed, or you can say okay, Naveed, fine. And definitely this is okay, this is what I want, and I say okay. And as you can see that now the name of this field or this cell is name Naveed, and as you can see they're showing also the name or Naveed. Instead the place of you can say showing the name of this column and row, now showing Naveed. So what I do, in the place of A1, what I will type here, now I will type Naveed, and definitely I will click and drag the data. And now as you can see that now Mr. is coming with every name. Why? Because you can say now we have given the name to this cell. Getting me? So this is the work of Name Manager. So by the Name Manager we can give the name to our cell or to a whole row. Getting me? So this is the work of Name Manager. So I hope you have understood. And one more thing I want to tell you, that if you want to give the name, so we also have another way, and this is the easiest way. What? Just select the cell and then go there and give the name. This is the easiest way, shortcut way. Okay, this is a shortcut to give the name. So I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi aman, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.